Find those tweezers.
And you can look for that bullseye if there's a bite, is that right? It can be a sign of Lyme disease. If you see that bullseye rash, you do want to go to a healthcare provider, but you can still have
sign of Lyme disease. And put the tweezer right next to the skin. Wow.
Buzzing sound we hear, be fearful. They send over 500,000 people to the hospital every year. If you do see signs of some kind of stinging insects in your property, such as this bald-faced hornet's nest, you want to contact a professional to take care of that.
Thank you, Missy. We're out of time, but great information, especially with the ticks and children around this time of year. Thank you. Up next, remember this viral video we showed you earlier this week of the amazingly talented 9-year-old with a great name to match, Emmy Sunshine.
Well, she is here in our studio, getting ready right now to perform for you live. Stick around for this. It's going to be awesome right after this.
Those were bull-faced hornets. They send tons of people to the hospital each year. When you hear a buzzing sound, you want to always investigate where it's coming from.